Top 5 Secrets in Roblox Doors. Here's how to unlock the hidden room and grab a secret badge fast.
Did you know there are secret safe rooms in Roblox Doors with hidden rewards just waiting for you? Yep, these elusive hideouts are perfect for grabbing extra coins and power-ups. Keep your eyes peeled and your ears sharp to catch the subtle clues leading to these treasure troves. Trust me, once you find them, your gameplay will never be the same. Want to unlock the door to ultimate secrets? Look for mysterious codes hidden within the game. These codes can open doors to exclusive areas, packed with surprises and maybe even a rare badge or two. Keep an eye out for anything that seems out of place, because that's where the magic happens.
Here's a spooky secret: the Rare Ghost NPC. This elusive character can be found wandering certain levels, offering unique insights and maybe even a secret quest. Not everyone can find this ghostly figure, but those who do are in for a chilling treat. Can you spot the ghost before it vanishes?
Ever wondered if you could do more in Roblox Doors? Activate hidden game mechanics to enhance your gameplay. These secret mechanics are not obvious, but with a little exploration, you'll find ways to surprise your enemies and maybe even turn the tide in your favor. Discover the hidden power-ups that can change your game. In a pinch and need a quick escape? Secret paths in Roblox Doors are your best friends. These hidden routes let you dodge enemies and make a swift getaway. They're cleverly camouflaged, so you'll need sharp eyes and quick reflexes to spot them. Master these escape routes, and you'll always stay one step ahead.